Still birds singing, trying to keep Fluffy back. So wildlife photography with a pocket cell phone from a foot away can only really be done if the wildlife is used to you. Well, that was a pretty good song. You have anything else? Have any more song? What about you, Fluffy? Want to cuss some more? Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. Hi. Oh. There goes Dad. Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. Want to fly over and visit? Fluffy. Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. Fluffy is not convinced. Hi, Fluffy. Come on, he's gone. You can come over and visit. Hi, Fluffy. Fluffy. Fluffy is not thinking it's a good idea. Oh, come on, Fluffy. Come on. Fluffy is a timid little thing, the youngest of the chicks. She's female and a little slow. She's learned to swear not that long ago, and so she just spends her time scolding everybody. Hey, bird. How you doing? Pretty sure she's swearing at her dad and not swearing at me. What is it, Fluffy? What are you swearing at? Hey, bird. Hey, bird. Wanna come? Wanna come visit? Wanna come visit? Hi, bird. Wanna come visit? Is that a no? You're not gonna sing on my finger like Cinderella or whatever? Snow White. How about you, Fluffy? Oh, these birds are really not performing for us tonight. Nice song, though. And there goes Dad. Fluffy, Dad's gone. You can come up and play now. Hi, Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. Yeah, you can come up and play now. Your dad's gone. Here you go, Fluffy. Fluffy. Come on. Fluffy. Yeah, that's it. Come on. Come and play. Come on. Little wild birds are supposed to come and play. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Hi, Fluffy. Oh, Fluffy didn't like the sound in the road. So much for playing. Fluffy, you want to come and play? Hi, want to come and play? Hi, Fluffy. Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. Yeah. Yeah, Fluffy's not feeling very playful. What do you think, Fluffy? What do you think? Yeah. Oh. You better run from Dad. Okay, that's probably enough of low-key shama drama. I'll see you guys later.